Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to take a look at the current price action and outlook for Bitcoin. And as of right now, Bitcoin is pumping. Yeah, we broke about this resistance level here. I told you about this resistance in the last couple of videos, okay? And as of right now, I'm in a profitable trade. I hope you also, because I told you so. As you can see, as of right now, 116% in the profit, almost 117% now. And this line acted as resistance for quite some time now, as you can see. And I told you that if we break this line, we can put in a long position. Of course, if you want to take advantage of a sign-up bonus, if you don't have an account right now, check the bonuses here. Bybit, $1,600 bonus, Phemex, $200 bonus, and my open trade is over here on Bybit. And yes, if you also want to trade over there, check this link out and you will get this free bonus that you can use to trade. So as of right now, as you can see, we broke this level here. And I also inform you, it is also very important that you follow me over on Twitter, because if there are updates, I always post them over on Twitter here. Look here at Crypto Dealers, and yeah, follow me over there, then you're always up to date. And I will also tell you there if you can jump in a trade. So what do we have to look out right now? We pumped over this resistance, okay? And now we have two more immediate resistance levels above us, like the 41.4K level and 42K level, okay? If we manage to break above these levels, then we have the next limit or the next resistance is like 48,000. This would be another pump of 20%, you know, from right now 20% plus, okay? So we have to look out for these resistance levels here. If we can break above them, we need, of course, volume. As you can see, we had some significant volume when we broke above this level here, and the volume is also as of right now also going up. So we have to keep in mind and watch out for those levels here. Can we break above them? And if yes, and there's also a lot of volume, then the next resistance is up here. So another 20% pump is possible. But of course, we have to look out for this. And yeah, as mentioned before, if you want also a trade like this, see like this, 108% in a profit. And yeah, use the links here down in the description. And follow me over on Twitter. If you like this video, follow me over here on YouTube. Give the video a thumbs up. And of course, I wish you the biggest gains and see you.